Why do they keep on going? Why don't they ever slow down? Why can't you seem to stop them? Why am I frowning now? Oh, I cannot focus on what I want to do. Oh,
Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm coming at you with another video on how to stop stomach noises. And so if you want to get another tip that you haven't heard before, then definitely keep watching this video. It's gonna be super quick. Yeah.
Oh, I cannot focus on what I...
All right, so I've made 3 videos on how to reduce stomach noises. And if you haven't seen those yet, then you should definitely check those out. I'll put some links in the YouTube description or in the YouTube cards up above. And so yeah, definitely check those out. And if you want to receive more helpful health tips about topics like this, like how to reduce stomach noises and things like that, then definitely consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll be making more videos about that topic or about this topic a lot. So yeah. All right, so the next tip I have to reduce stomach noises is to do something called intermittent fasting. Now, what intermittent fasting is you basically condense all of your food into, or you eat all your food in a condensed window. So for example, normally let's say you wake up at like 7, you eat breakfast at 7:30, then you have lunch at like 11 or 12, and then you have dinner at like 5. In intermittent fasting, what you would do is instead of eating breakfast so soon, you'd eat breakfast later, or you'd skip breakfast. So let's say you'd eat at like 12, but then you'd also, or then you would eat all the rest of your food for the day by like 6 p.m. And you can even do it like, you can do an 8-hour window, a 6-hour window, a 4-hour window, 2-hour window, a 1-hour window. And basically the reason why you would want to do this is, let's say, for instance, you're in a class that is, you always like get stomach noises in a certain class or in a certain, at a certain time when you have to do something that requires you to be in a quiet place. And let's just say you want to avoid that time, or you want to avoid having to have stomach noises at this time. So what you could do is you could tailor your eating window so that you're not eating anything like way before that and like around that time, so that there's not as much of a chance of you getting weird stomach noises because your stomach won't be trying to digest anything. And so that is one way that I could help. And so for example, let's say you wanted to eat all your food in like a 5-hour window, which is pretty doable. What you do is like, just whenever you start eating, so let's say you eat at like 11 a.m., you'd finish all the rest of your food, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, by like 4 o'clock. And so that way you'd have like a 5-hour eating window, and then after 4 o'clock you don't eat any solid foods. And I'm using the GoPro today, and I'm just walking around because it's super sunny out, and there's some stuff going on down here. So I think we're gonna explore. It's a cool little place. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's super loud down here. And I'm using a mic right here, a lav mic, and so hopefully it turns out okay. And I don't even know if you can hear me right now, but wow, look at this. Yeah, there's the end of the first expedition. I'm on a trail that there's a biker, and I waved and he didn't wave back. But yeah, I'm on this trail, and this is getting off target. But yeah, so for intermittent fasting, basically by reducing your window to a shorter window, so like I said, like eating all your food in like 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 hours, or even 2 hours, then what you do is you allow your body to not be digesting food all the time. And one of the main things that causes weird digestive noises is when your body is trying to break stuff down, and especially if you're eating stuff that is hard to break down, which I mentioned in the other videos, which you should check out. But basically, when you're not eating anything, your body is not digesting anything, there's less of a chance for there to be noises. And so I've been doing intermittent fasting for many months now, and I've noticed that there's many benefits to it. And just from the point of view of like stomach noises, there's just way less time that your stomach and your gut is trying to digest things, and so there's just way less opportunity for you to get these stomach noises going on. And yeah, so there's these people, or these little kids, they're rolling towards me, and I'm sorry if the footage is kind of shaky, but I don't want to be creepy and film. But I like the GoPro. I like having this little GoPro on this little handle because it makes it seem so much less, or so much more stealthy. It's like, I feel like a secret agent, especially with this thing. It's like, oh my gosh, they don't even know what's going on right now. I'm shooting a video and talking to the universe and helping the world one step at a time. And they don't even know what's happening. And now we're approaching, and oh my gosh. Hello. The encounter. So yeah, so that is the tip. That is my next tip. Try to do intermittent fasting, and definitely Google a bunch of stuff on intermittent fasting. Learn as much as you can. And I have other videos about the benefits of intermittent fasting that I have videos to. I just said that, but I'll put links in the YouTube card or the description below, and you can check it out. And there's other people. But I'm feeling pretty calm right now. Feeling pretty good. Had like a mega green juice, which maybe I'll put that. Maybe that'll be a tip. Here we come with the warrior. Hi. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and be sure to check out all those videos and links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
And you don't like them one bit, you wanna stop them. Oh, how do you stop them?
Bye.
Then watch my videos, Dr. Sweets. I'm not a real doctor, but listen to me. Don't listen to me, don't listen to me. Trust your body, trust your feet. Don't listen to me, don't listen to me. Trust your body, trust your feet.